Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all enjoying and learning from the videos in this playlist. In my previous videos, I have explained topics like what portals are, how to build portals, creating and applying themes, configuring page layouts, and more. As we move forward, I'll also be showing you how to customize and build widgets from the scratch. But before we go there, let's take a quick detour and talk about something really important, the ServiceNow Employee Center. It is the latest and greatest portal currently available in ServiceNow, and knowing how it works is super important. Because as a best practice, this could be your starting point for building a portal in any organization. So, that brings us to today's topic, a quick tour of the ServiceNow Employee Center. Let's jump right in. ServiceNow Employee Center, a simple and powerful platform where you can find services, information, and support all in one place. In general, all non-ITIL users are redirected to the Employee Center by default. But if that doesn't happen, there are two simple ways to access the Employee Center. The first method is through the platform. Navigate to All. Under the Self-Service section, you can find the Employee Center. Second, and honestly my preferred way, just go to ServiceNow instance URL. Copy it from right here and give /esc. It's quick, clean, and gets you there instantly. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to method for accessing the Employee Center. And if you are curious about how to automatically redirect non-ITIL users to the Employee Center, we have got a full video covering that on our channel. Link is provided in the description below. Make sure to check it out and drop your questions if any. I'll be happy to help. Alright, now when you first log in, you'll land on the homepage of the Employee Center. It's personalized just for you, so you'll see your open requests, pending tasks, and even important updates from your company. At the top of the page, you'll find a search bar. If you don't see it, don't worry. I'll show you how to enable it in an upcoming video. The search is smart. It brings up the most relevant results right away. Suppose if I search for laptop, it will show you the relevant results. If you prefer exploring, you can scroll down or click on Browse by category. You'll find areas like HR, IT, facilities, and more. Let's say you need help from IT. Just click on the IT category. To see commonly used services and helpful articles. Need to make a request? Just head over to the service catalog. You can submit the request here. Ask for HR assistance all from one place. Isn't that cool? Have request or need a quick answer? Check out the knowledge base. It's full of how-to articles and guides that can help solve problems on your own, like login issues, password resets, or company policies. Want to check the status of something you have submitted? Go to My Request. You'll see all your requests here. You'll see all your requests, their current status, and progress updates. If you are a manager, this is also where you'll find pending approvals. Also on the home page, you'll see company announcements and updates. These might include upcoming holidays, policy reminders, or important organizational or platform changes. And the best part is the Employee Center is built on the Bootstrap technology. It is full optimized for any device including mobile and tablet. Let me show you. Mobile view, then tablet view, and the system view. So even if you are away from your desk, you can still access everything on the go. Now a quick note about Employee Center Pro. All we have seen till now is part of the standard Employee Center, which comes with the default ServiceNow subscription. But ServiceNow also offers Employee Center Pro, which requires a paid plugin that needs to be installed in your instance. Employee Center Pro allows organization to create a unified portal for all employee services across HR, IT, finance, and more. It supports targeted communication, custom layouts, and tailored experience for different groups. So, if you are wondering, are the same? Well, they have the same goal, centralizing services. But Pro is designed for larger and more complex organizations that need scalability, flexibility, and more out of the box widgets. And that's a quick overview of the ServiceNow Employee Center. It's designed to offer better user experience whether you are requesting something, looking for info, or staying up to date. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like. I'm planning to create a mini project video where I'll show you how to configure and customize the ServiceNow portal end to end. But I'll only do that if this video gets at least 500 likes. So hit that like button if you are excited to see it. And subscribe to our channel for more ServiceNow learning content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.